I made £500 in about 2 hours creating a super simple jazz pentatonic book. But here's the thing, I didn't just upload it to a website and wait. That almost never works. Most musicians think that just by creating the website and putting their music on that website, the money will start rolling in. Whether that's your own website or a store like Sheet Music Plus. I used to think and hope that too. The money starts coming in when you have a system. A system for creating the perfect audience, a simple website just to sell the product, and then that funnel that potential buyers go through to become customers. From January to May, check out how much just one product, my Jazz Trumpet Solos bundle, made me. So think beyond the PDF. You've got to think, how can I help my ideal student? What pain point are you solving for them? You've got to price it in a way that makes it feel like it's a steal for them, but you still get paid well. And then of course you have to have that system of giving value, whether that's through a lead magnet, whether that's through your email automation, to warm your potential customer up, and then you'll make sales. This is a system that I teach in my coaching program. If you want to shortcut years of guesswork and start earning money straight away from your sheet music, I open up just one spot every 4 weeks for one-to-one coaching. Me and you together, one-to-one, on a Zoom call, putting your business together. If you'd like to speak to me about your business, book a call below. The link is in the description. And just to let you know, slots go fast and we need to make sure you're ready for action.